Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are placing sealants. So first we would go in with the etch. Is it just me or do you guys think that adults should have sealants? I don't know why they make it a kids thing, but I'm telling you now, if you're an adult, you should definitely get sealants. This is actually me in the video getting all of my sealants placed, but I just showed you guys the premolars. I don't know, it's like, why wait to need a filling when you could have already been protecting your teeth, but I'm sure dentists don't tell you that for a reason. Anyways, so if you're an adult, make sure you get sealants. We're just rinsing off the etch with water. And with sealants, you don't have to do any preparation, and then once you place the sealant material, you also don't have to do any adjustments. The sealant material adjusts itself. Same process as a filling, but less drilling. Well, no drilling. So right now she's just drying off the tooth really good, and then we're gonna place some bond. Once you place the bond, you're going to dry it off a little bit. Hit it with the light. Place the sealant material. The sealant material is like very thin compared to regular composite. Now take your Explorer and move it around until it's even. It looks good, you're gonna hit it with a light, and then you're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like my new dental assisting series for beginners. Comment down below some more videos you guys want to see from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And don't click off just yet, there's pictures at the end so you can see the before and the after.